Hey, James Bill here. What is giving value? I wanted to take the time out to create this video today and hopefully it helps someone. I know when I first started out online, I would hear several terms, marketing terms, and I really didn't know what they were. Uh, and one of these terms was giving value. What is giving value? That was my question. A lot of people, they say you just have to give value. You have to provide value to the marketplace. And I'm like, well, what are they talking about? Give value, what is value? I really just didn't have a clue, to be honest. So I wanted to, be transparent and let you guys know that and create this video to share, my interpretation of what giving value is. I'm going to go ahead on and share my screen with you. And hey, let's get into it, guys. Okay, like I said, the title of this video is entitled, What is Giving Value? Okay. Like I said, there were so many people telling me you have to provide value. You must give value in order for people to come to you and your business and want to do business with you. Okay. So let's get into it. Here's a young lady that's working, and obviously she's in a bad place right now. She's at work like maybe stripping isn't so bad. That's terrible, but I mean, she's just in a bad way right now. And one of the things you have to do when you give value is you want to simply leave someone better off than they were before. So if we can make her a little bit better off than what she is now, she's going to really appreciate that. Value. You want to inspire people. Some of the things I try to do is inspire people and just kind of light that fire up underneath them and show them that it's a better way. It's just really good to inspire them. The next step we have here is to motivate them. You want to always motivate your people, your prospects. Here's a quote. It says, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. And that's like me. I'm no guru. I started out, I didn't know anything. I learned some things, and now I'm on here doing videos, and I'm starting to feel a little more comfortable. I'm making some money in my business, but the key was, like they said, start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can, and that's how you become successful. So nice motivational quotes like this here. I post a lot of these, guys. You want to motivate people. That's another step too, and that's giving value, okay? My next step is you have to also educate people. So anything that you learn, from your videos or your webinars or your training, the books you may have read, you want to pass that on and educate the people that you are engaging with, guys. Education is a key part of the value. Next, we have, this is entertainment. People go on YouTube and they want to be entertained. They're in a bad place usually, not feeling, uplifted. And, they want somebody to entertain them, guys. So on your Facebook post or what have you, you don't want to be just selling stuff to people and spamming. Here's a nice entertainment post. This young lady sitting out on the beach somewhere with her laptop, and she says work from anywhere, and you are the boss. Now I know a lot of you saying, "Well, I don't work from home. I can't be out on the beach with a laptop. I don't do that, so I can't provide that kind of entertainment." Well, let me tell you something. Yes, you can. Here's a simple family dinner with friends. How many of you have gone out to eat dinner with your family and friends? There you are. So you take pictures when you do these dinners, and this is lifestyle, and people need to see lifestyle. It's just those smiles on their faces. This is uplifting and entertaining, guys. So yes, you can provide value through entertainment without being a celebrity or living in a mansion, driving a Ferrari. Okay. Remember, inspiration, you want to inspire, you want to motivate, and you want to educate. And use educate, and you want to entertain through lifestyle images. Lifestyle images is how you want to entertain, guys. And if you do this and do this on a consistent base, you will definitely, without a doubt, have people running to you in your business to learn more about what you're doing and wanting to engage with you guys. So again, I'm James Bill. I hope this has been helpful to someone here. And please, before you leave, go ahead and click on that subscribe button below and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time that I create a video. And I'll see you on the next video.